Do you guys love some good street food? Because I do.
In this video, I'm going to a super popular street fair in Thailand, and I'm going to try all kinds of street food. The place that I'm visiting is called Jodd Fairs, and it's a night market that opens every day from 4 p.m. in Bangkok. I had some really delicious food. There were some pretty weird ones too. So don't skip a second of this video because this is going to be awesome.
Now, I am no Thailand expert, but supposedly this is the new popular place for the locals and the tourists for its diverse street food experience. It's not one of those street markets where it's kind of dark and kind of uncomfortable. This is an extremely modernized street market experience. First thing I realized, it's probably bigger than any market that I've seen in the past. And it looks like they're extremely affordable too. Wait, before we start the video today, can I take a moment to talk about the most amazing mobile RPG game ever? At this point, we shouldn't really need an introduction for this internet sensation. We're talking about Raid Shadow Legends.
It's an RPG game featuring over 700 unique champions, 15 different factions. So unlike in real life, you can really pick the team that you want to fight for. There's 12 dungeons with bosses waiting to get their butts kicked. There's PvP against real people, so you can kick their butts too. Unlike other games, the devs frequently update Raid with new champions and features, so you'll never run out of contents. You can play it on both mobile and PC, so you can play it anywhere. So on any platform, you can have a ton of fun customizing your champs. There's already over 400 million players that play Raid Shadow Legends, so join us!
I love the fact that it's so easy to play casually anytime, anywhere. So I often play it while I'm doing cardio at the gym.
And just by logging into Raid for 7 days between now and July 24th, you can get a free legendary champion, Artak that was in the animated show, Raid Call of the Arbiter that was based on the game.
He's like a dependable father figure that I would have liked to have.
Use the link in the description or the QR code to get a bunch of goodies. That includes Epic Champion Talia.
She's a real baddie, I love her.
You guys can find me in game under the name American Jimmy, and if you're fast enough, you might be able to join my clan Jimmy Army.
So download Raid using the link in the description or the QR code. I'll see you guys in game.
Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, we're gonna try some amazing street food. How about something to drink first?
Hello. Can I have one mango smoothie?
One thing that I realized in Thailand is that you can always depend on the quality of the food that involves their foods. Wait, is she adding syrup into my smoothie? Let's just pretend that we didn't see that. There's a ton of mango that went into it, so I just don't see how it can be bad.
There you go. I like how they give you a little carrier. That's very cute. That's a good amount of venti-sized mango smoothie. And it's only $2.25 in US dollars. I feel like that's quite a deal. I don't know what you guys think.
It was super sweet, all thanks to the added syrup. And the mango that's in it tasted extremely fresh. Like as fresh as it can possibly be.
Wow.
I feel like today's gonna be a great day.
Guess what I found in Thailand that's super cool? It's crocodile meat. Oh, look at the back of his head. Man, this guy looks muscular. He works out. Can I have one?
One?
Yes.
Yeah. Spicy, no spicy.
Oh, very spicy. Where do these guys come from?
Fiji, Thailand ค่ะ
They were selling these crocodile meat in skewers. I really couldn't wait to find out what it tastes like.
Not gonna lie, this is pretty bizarre. I came here for some pad thai. I believe that's the son and that's the mom. Oh, that's the father. Okay. It's okay. Together they're in heaven now. Wow, it's hard. He didn't work on his skincare. Everyone, come get crocodile. Come on. What part of crocodile is it?
Oh, body.
Oh, body.
Yeah, body.
Just anywhere in the body.
Yeah, body.
Okay.
So I found out that the crocodile meat actually comes from massive crocodile farms. And the most expensive part of their body is actually their skin. Which is probably why this guy looks like he's butt naked. He became some douchebag's wallet. Man, I have to do skincare and stuff and people barely like me. These guys look like they don't even know what sunscreen is and they're selling out.
Wow, I'm a little nervous, but there it is. My first crocodile meat experience.
Okay, time to find out if these crocodiles are worth killing for meat.
I know a lot of people say this about any kind of meat, but it's just like chicken. It's very much like chicken, right? pretty savory sauce, kind of like teriyaki sauce. Slightly spicy, like not too spicy. I would say it's not as tender as chicken. Does it taste like gamey or exotic? Not really. It tastes like chicken heart or chicken gizzard.
I'm sorry, Peter. I think these crocodiles might belong on the table. Okay, perhaps I should refresh my delicate palate. I haven't had Slurpee like this in a long time.
I'm gonna get this blue Hawaii flavor, the one with the most artificial color. That's what you should always go for.
Well, I'm glad to have found out that even here, children can enjoy some sugar and artificial flavors.
Just like when I had it as a child. And they support Pride Month. I think that's really cool. I'm a really proud person too.
They had a few vendors that are more restaurant-like. The food looked really amazing, so I wanted to experience that too.
I like this restaurant right here. I'm gonna take a look. Oh, they have the pork that I was looking at. Let's go here. I'll have a medium spicy rib pork soup.
It looked like this one vendor had a bunch of different food. Many of them looked really good, so I decided to get a lot of it. And can you guys believe that this is only $25 worth of food? This is my Tom Yum Goong shrimp, my giant pork ribs with chili pepper, and chicken pad thai.
Okay, why don't we start with some good, friendly pad thai. When you see a piece of lime, you gotta squeeze everything in there. That's what I do. Oh hell yeah, this looks good.
I'm sure you guys can agree, but pad thai is like the most internationally popular Thai food. So I'm super excited to finally try real pad thai in Thailand. And what do I think? It's not too different from the pad thai that I had in other countries. Like, the direction of the food was the same, but the freshness of the ingredients were far better than what I had before.
That's pretty fantastic stuff. This pad thai is like $3, $4. That's kind of unbelievable, right? So that's what pad thai is supposed to taste like, huh?
I'm sorry guys, talking with food in my mouth, my mom told me not to do that. But I just enjoy being a bad boy. Okay, let's try this shrimp Tom Yum Goong.
This is just instant noodles, by the way. Very pleasant flavor. The soup has this nice hint of lime.
I tried Tom Yum Goong many times in the past and I never really liked it. And I thought that was because I'm not accustomed to eating soup that is sour. But now that I'm trying this in Thailand, I realized that the problem was that I never had a good one. This Tom Yum Goong had a perfect balance of spicy and sour. And the herbal flavor that comes from lemongrass and other plants, it was just so pleasant.
Alright, it's time for some serious action. Look at this massive pork rib. Just barely over $10. They're very considerate. They give you these plastic gloves. Time to try this pork rib. I'm gonna give it a good shower with the soup because I feel like the surface is getting a little cold. Wow. So much meat on the bones.
Do you guys also get upset when you order meat dishes and you find out that it's 70% bones and 30% meat? That happens tragically often in Korea. But I was ecstatic to find out that this pork rib had so much meat. It feels nice on my fingers when there's a lot of meat to grab, you know what I mean? That's what a lot of people said about me too.
There's a ton of cilantro, chili pepper. It's not too spicy though. If I got this in Korea, this would be like 80% bones, 20% meat. If I got this in America, this would be $99.
Okay, maybe like $70. I guess it's kind of natural for me to get thirsty by now. I ate a lot of salty food and I'm sweating a lot. I guess it's time to drink something.
Thank God I have a jug of this coconut water.
I'm not sure if coconuts naturally contain this much of water or they just filled up more. But this coconut was like 70% filled up with coconut water.
Can you guys see the size of this? My head is really huge. This coconut is bigger than my head.
It was sweet and almost ice cold, so it tasted extra amazing after all that hot food.
The shell that's inside the coconut that actually contains the coconut water, it's actually pretty small. It's like this big. So I would say it doesn't really have like a gallon of coconut water. I'd say 500 milliliter, maybe less. But that's like a good grande size, I think.
Well, that was a great way to end the meal.
So what I had just now, everything combined, was 870 baht, which is just below $25. Don't you feel like that's an amazing deal? I think I've been here for like an hour or so. It's gotten pretty dark. That's okay, they're gonna stay open until midnight. Now it's time to give me a different vibe, and I like it more. When people told me that there's a lot of temptations in Thailand, they were right. They have a 1 meter pork rib? That's so insane. Now it says it's Thailand's #1 pork rib. I love pork ribs, so let's find out. Can I get one small pork rib? Small. So that small pork rib is 250 baht. Oh, so that's like $7.
So it was an American style pork rib that we all know, and I love those barbecue pork ribs. This is going to be really great.
There's one thing that I've developed in America. It's my tasting good barbecue pork ribs. Honestly, pretty much just like American pork ribs. It's more savory. This sauce feels like it's somewhere in between the American barbecue sauce and the teriyaki sauce. So I think in terms of the quality for this, easily justifies $7. I guess just because this is Thailand and there are so many different options for a very affordable price, it just makes it a less good of a deal.
I guess some things are just best done by Americans, like barbecue pork ribs and meaningless arguments on Twitter.
I gotta say, it wasn't as good as some of the best pork ribs that I had in America, but then you gotta give it to the Americans. They may be a little weird at times with their food, but when it comes to pork ribs, they know what they're doing. So apparently to go into a restroom here, you have to pay 5 baht at the entrance over there. I mean, to be fair, that's not a lot of money. It's just kind of a hassle to... Oh, hello. Somebody recognized me. Hey guys.
Are you doing vlog? Are you doing vlog? Hi guys.
Wow. Hello.
Hi. Can we take a picture with you?
Huh?
Can we take a picture
Oh,
with
of
you?
course. Here, well, how do I do this?
I was surprised that I got recognized in Thailand. Thai people obviously have an exceptional taste in entertainment.
Well, I had lots of food. I think it's time for dessert. So I know mango sticky rice is a huge thing here. And I'm kind of scared to try durian, but I guess I can still try. The boy's still here. You're gonna watch my videos, right? Hello. I would like 1 durian sticky rice and 1 mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice is probably the most popular dessert in Southeast Asia. It's made with sweet rice that's mixed with coconut milk, fresh mangoes, and topped with coconut milk once again.
Here's something that I'm scared to try. It's the durian sticky rice.
In case you guys didn't know, durian is a tropical fruit that is famous for being extremely stinky. Its smell is so strong that some hotels in Thailand don't allow you to bring durians into your room. Ironically, a lot of people find it to be delicious. Well, the last time I tried it was when I was a teenager and I almost threw up. But it's been a long time and I've accumulated the experience of putting all kinds of things into my mouth since then. So let's give it another try.
Oh, I'm gonna eat it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's like first time putting it in my mouth, you know?
And guess what I found out? It's honestly not that bad. It smells funny for sure, but it's really sweet in your mouth.
It's honestly not that bad. I think the coconut milk is working really well as this binding agent, like a catalyst between the rice and the durian.
So for me, there was something to like and dislike about it at the same time, just like some people that I've known in the past.
Wow, cool. Okay, that was very good.
I also have the more beginner-friendly mango sticky rice here.
She gave me the coconut milk on the side. I'm just gonna pour it all over the thing. Oh, it's so sticky and gooey. Ladies and gentlemen, the official dessert of Southeast Asia, mango sticky rice. The idea of having fruit with rice, it's kind of a weird thing in Korea because we would never do that. But yeah, I like it.
Mango sticky rice became this one thing that I've learned to appreciate during this trip. Like I said, it's a pretty weird concept for Koreans, but the coconut milk and mango are just amazing together.
Now, I'm getting thirsty again. Let's go get myself something to drink. I'm gonna get some pineapple smoothie.
Can you imagine asking for a smoothie and they're actually cutting up a fruit?
It's gonna be so good. Wow, that looks great. Thank you. Oh, guys, this is worth $2, right? Wow, this is so worth $2.
Being as thirsty as I was looking for something that was more like juice. But how could I dislike something as fresh as this?
Perfectly sweet.
And as I was enjoying it, the melted juice built up in the bottom, and my god was it good.
Okay, I think that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video, and please go ahead and watch my other videos to support more journeys like this. Till we meet again, goodbye my friends.
Once again, try playing Raid Shadow Legends. Download link in description. Thank you.